Hello all, welcome to today's video. Today I show you 5 simple ways to frame your pictures or drawings in a cost-effective way all by yourself. Main items required are paper straws, medium thick cardboard sheets, glue, little bit of white cement. Without this also you can do, but for better finishing I have used this. And acrylic colors also. First, let us see how to frame using paper straws. I have used 3 rows of paper straws. I have done it for few pics. This looks so clean and neat. Now we can apply some colors and the frames are ready. This is the most simple way of framing with paper straws. Wait, let's bring some twist to this using items available at home. I have used eggshells, tablet covers, earbuds, pulses, etc. for giving that extra effect to the picture frames. Take some empty tablet strips, clean it and cut it as shown. Stick it on top of the straws. Prepare a mixture of white cement and glue in a thick consistency. It gets thickened if kept for long and then gets dried. Apply this mixture to cover the tablet strip edges and also merge it with the paper straws. Once dried, it gives a good finishing. Apply metallic glue and dab some gold tint on top of it. Now let's move to the next idea. Cut the earbuds as shown in the video and stick the earbud tubes on top of the straw frame as shown here. Once dried, apply brown shade and highlight with gold shade. Instead of brown, black or dark maroon also will look good. This gives the look of an old traditional picture frame. I liked it very much. How about you? If you are watching this video without subscribing to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications. Stick the broken pieces of eggshells on the frame. Apply the white cement mixture. Wait for drying. Once dried, we can apply black color. And the last step is highlight it with copper shade. So your eggshell frame is ready. This idea is a very simple way of framing. Just stick the ropes on top of the straw frame. Use sap green shade for the frame and highlight the rope with brown shade. It is very easy to do and looks so beautiful and authentic. This is the last idea in this video. Apply some white cement mixture and create a simple design on that. We can do any type of simple designs. On that, stick some pulses and wait for drying. Once dried, apply black color and give silver highlight to the pulses. Ta-da! The frame is ready. Use double-sided tape or make a hook at the back side. It's ready to hang. That's all for today. If you like this video, give a like, subscribe and share this. We'll come soon with a new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Love you all.